Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create new Nimble contacts from Google Sheets automatically. So let me first explain you. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program where you can create the spreadsheets and add the database in them. And Nimble is a CRM software. So the idea here is whenever a new row is added into Google Sheets, I want a contact to be created automatically into Nimble. But there is an issue. What? Google Sheets and Nimble do not have any integration between them. So, in this video, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect to integrate Google Sheets with Nimble. Pabbly Connect is a third-party software which is going to help to transfer the data of Google Sheets to Nimble. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Let me show you how on my screen. So guys, this is my Google Sheet and this is my Nimble account. Here you can see these are the contacts and this is my Google Sheet. Here I have mentioned some details such as first name, last name, email, phone number and these details. So what I am expecting here is whenever I update a row, or we can simply say whenever I add some data in the new row, I want a contact to be created automatically into Nimble. Let me show you how. So I'm just entering some details here and then we will check if the contact in Nimble is created or not. So I'm entering some details here. Okay, so I mentioned some details here. Let me align this first. Okay, so perfect now. So as you can see, I just entered some details here such as Jenny. Her last name is Thomas. Her email is jennyt34@gmail.com and this is the phone number. The job title here is HR and the company name is Tech Mahindra. So now I am expecting an contact will be created automatically into Nimble. So let's just check here. Here I'm going to refresh the page and then we are going to see if the contact is created or not. Okay. Here I'm going to contacts. Recently added. Okay. So here you can see perfect. This contact named as Jenny Thomas HR at Tech Mahindra is automatically created. Isn't it wonderful? So here I just added the details and the contact was created. So you must be wondering, how did I manage to create a contact just by entering the details in Google Sheet? That too automatically. So let me tell you, I followed just 3 simple steps and created this workflow. You can follow the same and create the workflow. So let me tell you what are those steps are. So guys, these are the steps I followed to create the workflow. So step 1 is connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. This means first we have to log in into Pabbly Connect, then we have to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. How? With the help of webhook URL. Webhook URL is basically an address which will be provided by Pabbly Connect and we have to paste the same URL into Google Sheets. And after that, Google Sheets will be connected to Pabbly Connect. The second step is collect all the data of Google Sheets in Pabbly Connect. This means whenever I will be mentioning any details in Google Sheets, that data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And in the third step, transfer the same data to Nimble by connecting it with Pabbly Connect. After that, we have to connect Pabbly Connect with Nimble. And after that, Pabbly Connect will transfer the same data which was captured by Google Sheets to Nimble. In simple words, first we have to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly and then we have to connect Pabbly Connect with Nimble. Let me show you how on my screen. Okay, so to begin with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. This is how the website of pabbly.com looks like. here on products, you have to click on connect. Okay, as you can see, there are various products. We have to click on connect. After clicking on connect, this is how the landing page of Pabbly Connect looks like. Here I'm going to click on sign in as I've already created an account. But as you are a new user, you can also create your account just by signing up for free in 2 minutes. After clicking on sign in, this dashboard will appear. So to continue with the workflow, I'm going to click on connect and access now. After clicking on access now, this dashboard will appear. On the top right corner, you can see this button named as create workflow. We will click on this. A dialog box will appear. It is asking us to give a name to our workflow. So here, according to our topic, I'm going to give it as Google Sheets to Nimble. Google Sheets to Nimble. Okay. Perfect. And then I'm going to click on create. After clicking on create, this window will appear. So here you can see these two boxes, trigger and action. So you must be wondering, what are they? So basically, integration works on the concept of triggers and action. Trigger means when this happens. Action means do this. When this happens, do this. According to our topic, the trigger will be when a new row is added. Action will be create new contact in Nimble. Let me show you by doing the process here. So in the choose app, I am going to choose Google Sheets. After selecting Google Sheet, I am going to choose the trigger event. So the trigger event will be new spreadsheet row. After selecting the trigger event, this webhook URL will be provided by Pabbly Connect, and then we can see here are some step guides. So let's just follow the step guide. Here you can see the first step is create a new spreadsheet, then navigate to add-ons and click on get add-ons. Okay, so let's first just create a new spreadsheet. So this is my old spreadsheet. I'm going to create a new one. You can also create your own of your choice from here. I just made a spreadsheet already, so I'm going to open that. Here is my Google Sheet, and you can see these are the columns I made: first name, last name, email, phone number, job title, and company name. Here I'm going to mention some details. So let me just mention some details here. Okay guys, so I just mentioned some details here. As you can see, Ria, the last name is Jan. Her email is riajan@gmail.com, and these details. So according to Pabbly Connect, what we have to do next is we have to navigate on add-ons. Okay, so here on add-ons, I'm going to click on add-ons. Let's go on to get add-ons. It will take you to a page named as Google Workspace Marketplace. Here in the search apps, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhooks, this one. Here you can see it is already installed in my system. You can install the same in your system as well. So after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheets. I repeat, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks in your system, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheets. Okay. Again, I'm going to click on add-ons. This time I'm going to click on Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and I'm going to click on initial setup. Okay. So after clicking on initial setup, this window will appear. Okay. So here you can see two boxes. The first one is webhook URL. The second one is trigger column. Let's first understand what is trigger column. So what it is written here, the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to webhook URL. This basically means that here in the trigger column, you have to mention your last data entry column. Here you can see in my sheet, the last data entry column is F. So I will be mentioning F. You can mention according to your spreadsheet. So here I just mentioned F. And what is this webhook URL? It is the same URL provided by Pabbly Connect. So you just have to copy from here and you have to paste it here. Perfect. And then we have to click on save and send test. Okay, so here you can see test data sent successfully. Now let's go on to Pabbly Connect and check if the data is captured or not. Click on capture webhook response. Okay, I'm going to click on send test again. Now let's see if the data is captured by Pabbly Connect or not. Perfect. So as you can see, with the help of webhook URL, Pabbly Connect captured all the data from my Google Sheets here. It is the same data. Yes, the first name was Ria. Yes, it is Ria. The last name was Jen. Okay. So here let me just first click on submit. Okay. So here you can see the email was riajan@gmail.com. Yes, it is the same. Now what we have to do is, again we have to click on add-ons. Again we have to click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, but this time we have to click on send on event. Why send on event? Because by choosing send on event, from now on, every time you are going to mention any data in your Google Sheet, it will automatically collected by Pabbly Connect. So click on send on event. Perfect. So now we have to again go to Pabbly Connect and then we have to click on choose your next application. Okay. So here in the choose app, I am going to choose Nimble. Okay, Nimble. Here you can see the action event. Action event, there are various events available, but according to our topic, I am going to click on create contact because we want to create new contact. Click on connect and then I'm going to choose add new connection. After choosing add new connection, here you can see API token. So from where we can get this API token? Let's read from here. Log into Nimble account, go to settings, from the upper right corner, API tokens, generate new token, get API token, example bearer. Okay, so first let's go to Nimble and go on to settings. Okay, from here I'm going to, okay, let me close this. Okay, so let's go on settings. This was the option, API tokens, this. Click on this and here you can see this is the option where we can generate new token. It was once I already generated, so I'm going to delete this one and I'm going to create a new one. Click on generate new token. Here you can give any name. I'm going to give it as test and then generate. So here you can see the token is generated successfully. We can copy it from here. After copying it, we have to follow the next step. We have to write bearer before the token. Okay, let's type bearer. Bearer. Okay, and then after this we have to paste the token and then we have to click on save. Here you can see now the Nimble account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After connecting, you can see these various fields just appeared. So what it is asking for? It is asking for map data. Let me explain you what mapping is. Basically, mapping is we have to mention the same data which was captured by Pabbly Connect here. How? Let me explain you. As it is the first name. Let's see here. The first name is Ria. Okay, the first name is Ria. Excellent. What is the last name? The last name is Jan. Yes, this is the last name. This is Jan. So this is how mapping actually works. You just have to mention the same data according to the field asked just by clicking once. So here I am going to fill all the other details. Okay. So it is email address. Let's map the email address. Second is job title. The job title was manager. Yes. Then the phone number. The phone number was, yes, this one. Okay. Company name was this. Okay, company name was Infosys, so I'm just mentioning. And here I'm going to leave these details blank as they are not required. You can fill them according to yourself. And then I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, let's see. Here you can see the response is received and according to this, the contact must be created in Nimble. So let's go on to Nimble. Here on contacts, I'm refreshing the page. Okay. So I'm going to click on recently added. Here you can see. Let me close it. Recently added. So what was the recently added contact? It was Riya Jain. Yes, it was Riya Jain. Let's check if any contact is created or not. Excellent. So here you can see the contact for Riya Jain is automatically created in Nimble. This means the data flow is perfectly fine, and let's do a check. But before that, let me explain you in a nutshell both of the process. So what we did first, we first integrated Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL, and then we connected Nimble with Pabbly Connect with the help of a token key and mapped all the data. So let's check if the data is working, if the integration is working successfully or not. So this time I'm again going to mention some details here, and then we will check if the contact is getting created automatically or not. Okay, so let me mention some details here. Okay guys, so I just mentioned some details here. Okay, perfect. So the first name is Zoya, the last name is Khan. It's her email address, zoyakhan@gmail.com, and this is her job title, CSE, that is Customer Service Executive, and the company name is Aegis. So now let's see if the contact is added or not. So let's move here. I'm going to refresh the page and we will see for Zoya Khan. Excellent. So as you can see, I just entered the details here, and here you can see this contact for Zoya Khan CSE at Aegis is created automatically. Isn't it wonderful? You just have to enter the details here and the contact will be created automatically. So this means the integration between Google Sheets and Nimble is successfully established with the help of Pabbly Connect. So not just these two apps, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. And one more thing which I would like to tell you is the link of the same workflow is mentioned in the description. So you can clone the same workflow in your account of Pabbly Connect. And if you want to contact us, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can simply ask your queries and feedbacks at this link here. Thank you for watching. Bye.